Nanning Standard Industry Co Limited is a leading package solution provider who integrates innovation, design, and a whole supply chain, including DDP to door services. Our main products are packaging sack bags, including paper bags, paper laminated PP woven bags, paper laminated bags with PE, PET, OPP, PA, aluminium. BOPP laminated PP woven bags, paper and PP woven valve bags. FIBC valve bags, FIBC jumbo big bags, non-woven bags, grease-proof bags, paper boxes, paper bowls, paper plates, dishes. We focus on developing and supplying good packaging products, eco-friendly, renewable, biodegradable, recyclable. Our products are widely used for human foods, medicines, pet, animal feeds, chemicals, fertilizers, construction building materials, resins, charcoals and other packaging. Our products are made from advanced production lines, flexographic and gravure high-definition printing machines, large lamination machines, automatic cutting and sealing machines. We have been providing packaging products and related services, winning high praise of customers, over 180 countries and regions, most of them are friendly, cooperated for more than 11 years. Our products are certified by many well-known institutions, such as TPCH, REACH. Can also accept the third-party inspection? Any ideas and suggestions from you will help us to offer more perfect products and services. Looking forward to create a better future with you.